Welcome back to MPV Auto, your ultimate destination for the latest MPV reviews. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Suzuki Hiace van, a model that's built for both business and family adventures. Let's dive in and explore what makes this van a top choice for 2026. Starting with the front, the 2026 Suzuki Hiace van boasts a bold and functional design. The large chrome grille gives it a strong road presence, while the sharp headlights and integrated fog lights provide excellent visibility in all conditions. The front bumper is designed for practicality, ensuring durability while giving the van a modern, professional look. It's the perfect balance of style and function for both city commutes and long-distance travels. At the back, the Hiace features a sleek and practical rear design. The wide rear door provides easy access to the spacious cargo area, making loading and unloading a breeze. The streamlined rear end, along with stylish tail lights, gives the van a refined and purposeful appearance. Whether it's carrying goods or transporting passengers, the rear is all about efficiency without compromising on looks. Inside the 2026 Suzuki Hiace, the front cabin is designed with both comfort and functionality in mind. The driver's seat is ergonomically crafted, offering excellent support for long journeys. The dashboard houses an intuitive infotainment system with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to stay connected on the go. The cabin spaciousness ensures that both the driver and front passenger have plenty of room to relax, making this van an ideal choice for those who spend hours on the road. Moving to the back, the Hiace offers a variety of seating configurations to suit your needs. Whether you're transporting passengers or cargo, the van's flexible seating arrangement ensures comfort and practicality. The rear cabin is roomy with ample headspace and legroom for all passengers. Additionally, the climate control system ensures a comfortable environment for everyone, making long trips feel effortless. Now, let's talk about the price. The 2026 Suzuki Hiace van starts at an affordable $35,000. With its robust build, spacious interiors, and top-notch features, it's an excellent choice for businesses or families looking for a reliable and versatile van. That wraps up our review of the 2026 Suzuki Hiace van. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to MPV Auto for more updates on the latest MPVs. See you in the next video.